Hello, so today I want to make another episode of What's Inside with this wonderful Sunbuck amplifier, which is the model AS336BU. You can get it from AliExpress for about, I paid this one 55 euro plus 12 euro of shipping, so it made almost 70 euros, which is not bad for this amplifier. And my big question was what's inside, because when I search on the internet I cannot find anyone who opened it, or maybe just a picture of what's inside. So I get it, I plug it, I test it, it's working, and I opened it. And I was very surprised because the build quality is very good. You see plugs here. It's plugs you can unplug. It's not directly solder. There's a nice radiator. There's a lot of components. It's a true AB amplifier. It's not a low-cost Class D amplifier. I was disappointed. I'm waiting to see a Class D amplifier, and it's not the case. It's old school AB amplifier with the component here. I will put you a picture on the video. The components are Toshiba C5198 transistor, which are totally suitable for audio amplifiers. They are designed to make audio amplifier. And we could also see here under the probe, we have TL494, which is used to make a boost converter with the self here to power the amplifier with a 12 volt supply. And you see the toroidal transformer, which is also very surprising versus the cost of this amplifier. And so we get a lot of function too. It's part of what I bought this one. It's because it has a lot of buttons, and I really like buttons on audio stuff. So I'm glad this one comes with, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 buttons plus this 4. So it's a nice. And it gets a remote. Even the remote is here. And it's working. I tested. You got Bluetooth. You got line-in. You got USB, SD card. You got 4 mics. And at the back we have 2 more audio inputs. Speaker connection. 12 volt connection. And to test this amplifier, I've put some Davis audio speaker, really nice. The price was not too high. So you want to know how many watts this amplifier does. And this amplifier does 236 watts. But there's a but. The transformer is a little on the low side. It should be a little bigger. It makes 22 volt. It's a symmetrical transformer. And when I test it without the speaker, I can get almost 22 volts by the spectrometer. And 22 volt means a little more than 50 watts. And when I plug only one speaker, I can get 50 watts. But with the 2 speakers, I only get 36 watts by channel. It's because the transformer is a little small for such an amplifier. But for the price, it's really good. I will show you. I have a little frequency generator here on almost 100 Hertz. So let's take out. You can hear it. I will crank up the volume. We have here the scope, and here we have the maximum voltage that we could have with the true speaker, which is 16.8 volts, and I will show you. I can get more. Here we have no distortion. The sound is good. So more than 16.8 volt, maybe 20. The first test I did, I was not on 100 Hertz. I was, I don't remember. It was a bass signal, but not the same frequency, and I wasn't able to get as much power out of it. So it's a really nice amplifier. You can get it relatively cheap, and I'm gladly surprised by this class AB amplifier. I like old school stuff, and this one, it's old school stuff but new. It's really amazing. I have some concern about the graphic equalizer, because when you set it, it's not linear. I think it's only 3 positions, and you can hear it. Okay, only one speaker, and I will try on the 100. Tack. Up. It's a little more than 3 steps, but nothing change. Change. We can hear steps in the movement. So it's not really linear. I think it's not analog equalizer, but digital, and I think they don't use many bits to encode the slice. It's very strange, but it's working, and you get classical, treble, bass. These are really linear. It's okay. So I think it's a really good amplifier for the price. The build quality, I was surprised by the build quality. It's metal, all. Even the cover is metal. The rear is nice. Inside, it's not a mess. It's clean, really clean. I found. There's another concern. It's the wire of the plug, which is 2 wires. There's no earth connector. Also, the case is metal. At least in Europe, I'm in France, it should have an earth wire to be conform. But it's really nice. Bye.